జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. He did not put fire to one palace which is Varjayitva Mahateja Vibhishana Gruham Prati. He just left Vibhishana's palace. He did not put fire to Vibhishana's house. And he also burnt so many other buildings. He made sure all the wealth in great buildings also destroyed totally. And finally Hanuma went to Ravana's palace, and there he put fire to that palace and then started making huge sounds, roaring sounds. Nanada Hanuman Viro Yuganta Jalado Yadha. Loudly he is shouting with all his happiness. Now, just within no time, all the palaces in Lanka got completely burnt out. And all the Rakshasas coming out from the palaces and screaming, crying, and also thinking that probably Agnideva himself came in the form of this monkey and burning all of us here. Like that, all the Rakshasas are getting scared and crying and thinking like that. Hanuma putting fire to entire Lanka. Hanuma burning out the entire Lanka. Big buildings burnt out completely. And all the Rakshasas coming out from the buildings and palaces, coming out to the streets and started crying. From the burning out buildings, all diamonds, pearls, gold, silver, all items got melted, and that melted liquid is also flowing into the streets. Hanuma is not satisfied yet. Rudrena Tripuram Yadha. As and how Rudra, who burnt out Tripuras, so also Hanuma burnt out entire Lanka. Now in those flames, Kunkuma Sankasaha Sikhavahnehe Chakashire. Hanuma glowing with a huge amount of effulgence. Because Vayudeva associated with Agnideva, those flames are touching the sky. That Maha Agni, huge amount of Agni, Aditya Koti Sadrusaha Suteja. It is glowing equivalent to 1,000 suns. Now, slowly flames are coming down. Entire Lanka is filled up with smoke. All the Rakshasas are thinking like this. Vajri Mahendraha. Maybe this Vanara is Indra. Sakshat Yamova. Maybe he is Yama. Varunaha Anilova. Maybe this Vanara is Varuna or Vayu. Rudrognihi Arko Dhanadascha Somova. Maybe he is Rudra or Agni or Surya. Maybe Kubera. Maybe he is Chandra. Someone he must be. Otherwise, Navanaroyam, he is definitely not a monkey. He is definitely not an ordinary monkey. Maybe Sakshat Yamadharmaraju Swayameva Kalaha. Yama came down to kill every one of us. Kim Brahmanaha Sarva Pitamahasya. Maybe Sakalaloka Pitamaha Sakshat Chaturmukha Brahma got mad at us, got angry at us. That anger took the form of this Vanara and came here to kill every one of us. Otherwise, maybe Kim Vaishnavam va Kapirupa Metya. Probably Vaishnava Tejam, the effulgence of Sri Mahavishnu came in this form to kill every one of us. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.